All right, today what we're going to be talking about is special parallelograms. In this particular section, we're going to discuss a few theorems that have to do with rhombuses, rectangles, squares, parallelograms, so on and so forth. So first, let's go over real quick, just as a refresher, what all of these different shapes are. So a rhombus is a quadrilateral with four congruent sides. All right. A rectangle is a quadrilateral with four right angles. And a square is a combination of the two. It's a quadrilateral with four congruent sides and four right angles. All right, so from here we can actually discuss some of these different theorems that we have here. In your book, there are 6 theorems that are three of them are a theorem, and then the other 3 are converses of the first theorems. What I did here is I just created theorems that encompass both of these into one. All right, so you can think about it in opposite ways. So for example, so here it goes. So the first theorem is a parallelogram is a rhombus if and only if its diagonals are perpendicular, as you can see in this figure. The next one is a parallelogram is a rhombus if and only if each diagonal bisects a pair of opposite angles. And then the last one, a parallelogram is a rectangle if and only if its diagonals are congruent. So what we can say is, we can look at these the opposite way as well. If the diagonals are perpendicular in a parallelogram, then it is a rhombus, okay? And so on and so forth down the line, okay? So that's really all I have for you today. Come in with any questions tomorrow.